Okay, this is the shelves at the Southwest Florida Water Management District headquarters in Brooksville, Florida. We have 33 sections that are approximately 42.5 inches wide by 88.5 inches high approximate, and 7 shelves tall. Really good condition and shape. The items that you see in here, like the ladders and the stool, if you see one does not go, you're bidding on the shelves only. Very nice shelving for many things. The ones in the middle now are back-to-back double shelvings both sides. And they're braced off to the wall with unistrut. Very strong shelving. Okay, we're going around a corner, and like I say, the ladders and etc. do not go. I'm moving them out of the way. Again, this is the double-sided. Now then, this is the other one against the wall. And if you want to look at anything, you can just stop it anywhere on the video. I'm going to move this ladder out of the way to give you a better view of the shelving. Just remember that anything you see on the floor or on the shelving is not included. Okay, so that is a picture of all of them, and so it appears everything will be palletized and disassembled, and all the parts at this time appear to be there, along with some end dividers. Don't know how many of those they will be, but like I say, very nice heavy-duty shelving, and you can see how it's attached to the wall. With strong unistrut. And the brand of this shelving you can see that there. And Datum. Very strong shelving.